Today, I am reviewing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo automatic espresso machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been living with the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo for about 3 weeks now, and I have come to a very specific conclusion about who this machine is for and who should probably save their money. If you're tired of spending $5 a day at a coffee shop, but the idea of manually tamping pucks and dialing in shots feels like a part-time job, this machine is likely the sweet spot you have been looking for. The biggest strength here is the workflow. Having a machine that grinds, tamps, and brews with a single touch is a game changer for mornings when you are barely awake. I found the LatteCrema system to be surprisingly effective. Most automatic milk systems on cheaper machines produce thin, bubbly foam that disappears in seconds, but this actually creates a microfoam that holds up well for a cappuccino. Being able to detach that milk carafe and throw it straight into the fridge is a convenience feature I didn't think I would care about until I started using it daily. It saves you from having to dump milk down the drain or rinse out a complex wand every single time you want a latte. However, let's talk about the reality of the grind settings. De'Longhi lists 13 settings, which sounds impressive on paper, but you need to be careful. If you set the grinder too fine, the machine struggles to push water through the puck, and you end up with a very slow, bitter drip. I found that staying in the middle range provided the most consistent extraction. If you are a true espresso nerd who wants to play with pressure profiles and pre-infusion times, this is not the machine for you. It is designed for consistency and speed, not for artisanal experimentation. You can find the current pricing and check out the exact model I am using by clicking the link below the video if you want to see if it fits your budget. Another point of contention for some will be the plastic build. While the silver finish looks great on a countertop, a lot of the internal components and the exterior housing feel a bit lightweight. It is not going to feel like a commercial machine in your hands. That said, the ease of maintenance makes up for the build quality. The brew unit is removable, which is essential for preventing mold and old coffee buildup, a problem that plagues many other brands that seal their brew groups inside the chassis. If you want to see the latest deals on this specific unit, feel free to use the link in the description. The iced coffee function is a nice addition, though it is essentially just a concentrated shot brewed over a larger volume of ice. It works well enough for a quick afternoon pick-me-up, but it isn't going to replace a dedicated cold brew setup if that is your main priority. Also, if you're a household that drinks exclusively light roast, single-origin beans, you might find the extraction a bit underwhelming. This machine really shines with medium to dark roasts. Ultimately, the Magnifica Evo is for the person who values time above all else. If you want a cafe-quality latte without the mess, the learning curve, or the cleanup, this is a fantastic investment. But if you view making coffee as a hobby rather than a utility, you will likely find the automation here too restrictive. I have been genuinely happy with the consistency of the drinks it produces, and honestly, the time I have saved in the mornings has been worth the price of admission alone. If you are ready to make the jump, remember that the link below is the best way to support the channel and find the current price for this machine. It is a solid, reliable workhorse, as long as you keep your expectations aligned with what an automatic machine is actually capable of doing.